too because I saw that she used the money from TikTok and helped other person here in the Philippines. So I like her. Not, I'm not like that. I appreciate you are my beautiful girls, but it doesn't mean I. Yeah, that's good. But there is some person that really are like that, and there is also some hosts that only pay. My friends. Well, you don't know them. If you keep joining, I will present to you my other friends. So what the thing with them is that some of them, when I meet them, they were in a bad, like feeling bad or not bad mode or something like that. Thank you, thank you. Because they went to other person's life and then they start sending and they keep being noticed and noticed and noticed. What happened when they stop sending big gifts and just send roses or thank you, hi, kill, or things like that, people stop notice them and they feel bad because they thought they are their friends. So that's something that I really don't like about content creators. Like that's why I just start helping people right now. And with people I mean my friends here on TikTok. I have my friends here in Philippines, friends for Latin America that they help me, I help them. That's what I'm doing. All I want is to have good friendship, especially to these different. Yeah, I can teach you Spanish. Don't worry. Sometimes it's hard. Yeah, it's so hard to trust people because people, it's so hard. This world it's so bad right now. Like, I follow some accounts here that they always share news about the whole country, the whole world. And I always, hi, Mike, Haley's team first. Oh my goodness. Where did you get those names? My next question. Baby Lumpia. Why did you put Baby Lumpian in your name? Like me when I joined TikTok, I just get TikTok and like in everything, no, it's like my own name. But then I saw person here with names like Oink Oink Lumpia, and there was another one, Marites, or names like Di Porre, usually, or Lardi Fujiguro. Where did you get those names? My fab put. Well, that had sense. Maybe I should change my name for no, it's